When my students first log into MackinVIA, this is what they see. Nothing wrong with it, just nothing that really gets your attention up front. So let's see what we can do to change that. So let's get logged into the administrator side of our account. So by default, we go to the settings and we're in the general area. And we're going to scroll down to, I believe it's our display options, where we want to make sure that our home page is turned on. And then we're going to come back to our settings, go to our home page. And what do we want to show? Well, if we're trying to make this fabulous, getting attention, then we want to make sure that we're going to show our newest books that have been added, or audiobooks, just the newest of everything. And you can decide how many you want to show up. It's going to be a carousel that they can scroll through, so put as large or small a number as you want. You also would want to showcase what the kids are rating as high. And we'll go back and look at those ratings in just a second to make sure you have that turned on as well. Then we can also showcase what our top resources are for our particular school. What's being used the most? And then Dogo News is a news source where you can determine if that's something that you want to show some current events or not. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off right now. Now I said we needed to check back on our highest ratings if we have that enabled. We'll come back to our General tab. Back to our display. We want to make sure that our ratings here are active. And the last thing we need to change is what do we want our students to see whenever they log on first. So that's called our start page. Well, the home page is what I want them to see because I'm trying to get their attention to the newest things and the highest rated things that we have inside our account. So I'll switch to home and say save. Now we'll open up our MackinVIA again. We should have a totally different view. Okay, let's troubleshoot together. Mine by default went to show me again the original page, which was the Drab one I was trying to get away from. But I think what's happening is that it's remembering my cookies. So let me come into my settings here and come down where I can clear my cookies. Let's see. Here we go. I want to go ahead and refresh that so that we can have the fresh view of everything. Okay, try that again. Let me exit. We'll log in one more time. Hopefully this time, there we go. Now we get the new view. We're seeing now we are showcasing our newest books, and I believe I had set it up to 60, so it's going to be showing the latest 60 things that we've added into the account. It's also going to show the highest rated books, and these are the books that the students have been allowed to put stars on to say how much they like the book or not like the book. And then also it's showing us our top resources, which are the things that are most used by the people who log into my particular account. So I hope that helps you take your MackinVIA account from Drab to Fab. Thanks a lot, and I hope you get a great Lucky MackinVIA soon.